Page 246 and page 247, the beginning of Chapter 8, Preparing for Algebra. My name is Susan. Ring the bell, subscribe. I'm sure you already have by now, but we're going to look at the first page, which is Words of Math, which very much represents what we have just learned, and we're now going to use it in algebra. The examples on page 247 are expressions. Expressions are different from equations. Equations have equal signs and expressions do not. So this is a representation of examples with variables and examples without variables. Now the without variables, for example, 5 decreased by 3 is written 5 minus 3. As a number, 5 decreased by a number is 5 minus n or x or whatever. And that variable, as you already know, can mean any number. So we're going to go on to page 248. Page 248 is Algebraic Expressions worksheet. We just learned what they are. And now I want you to put these words of math into an expression, and then I want you to put the algebraic expressions into words of math. If this looks, again, like Chapter 1, it is kind of, but we're just doing building blocks as math is. So go ahead and go 15 minus a number, make that an expression, and also 24 times n, you can write that as 24 times n. Okay, we'll go on to the next page.